I will teach you how to make this puppets, Ramayana puppets. So let's begin the activity. First we are going to make finger puppets of Ramayana characters. So first of all we will make oval shape like this, and then we have to make a juda here. Then here will be 2 ears. ऐसे बनाएंगे. बहुत ही सिंपल फेस बनाना है. Eyebrow, then eyes, and then here lips. Okay. Now after this we have to make the hairs. Now after doing this we will use sketch pen. इसको sketch pen से हम highlight करेंगे. And then we need to cut the shape. Then we need red sketch pen for making the lips and the tika. After that we have to cut this face and we have to make different faces. So this is of Ramji and Lakshmanji we can use, and then we have to make Hanuman also. So for Hanuman also we have to make a round face, and then eyebrows, hairs, ear, and mouth will be like this, and we can put a crown over here. Again we will just use sketch pen and then we will cut the outlines. Now see, I have cutted the Hanumanji face and here Ramji and Lakshman. Now I am going to cut the Sita Ma face. You have to just do like this on the boundaries. इसको साइड में प्रॉपरली कट करना है, ध्यान देके कि कहीं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट ना कट जाए. ओके, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. इफ़ यू कांट डू दिस जस्ट गिव सीजर्स टू योर पेरेंट्स. अपने मम्मी पापा को आप दे दो सीजर, वो कटिंग करेंगे. यू हैव टू जस्ट ड्रॉ ओनली. ओके, सी now I have done the cutting. Now I will tell you how to decorate them. Now see, how can we decorate? I have made crown from the paper, that golden paper. Now we will use Fevi-stick or you can use Fevicol, whatever you have. And see the crown here. It is of Hanumanji. Now see, I am going to complete the face of the Ravan. Okay, this is a crown of Ravan. I am going to paste it. After this I have to paste the moustache of Ravan. I have made this from the black paper. You can draw it also, or if you want you can paste. See, now all the 5 characters are ready. Now I have used this bindis. So now we can decorate by this. ये मैंने सीता जी की बिंदी लगा दी. हम इनके जूड़े में को भी डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं by using these bindis. It's totally up to you that how you want to decorate. It's totally up to you. Okay, now we can use these bindis in here also. रामजी में भी लगा सकते हैं. Now it's completed the decoration. You can decorate according to yourself, जैसे आपको decorate करना है. Now I am going to show you how to make the bodies. ठीक है, so for that we will take small sheets. अब इसको हम ऐसे roll करेंगे and we will use Fevicol over here to paste it. Alright, so now I have pasted So now I have made all the body, and now how to paste it. First we will take the face and we will paste over here with the help of Fevicol. Okay, so I am showing you. You can use Fevikwik, Fevicryl, anything, whatever you have. You can use glue gun also, whatever you have. Okay, so now I have pasted this, and we will keep it aside, and we will do in the same way others also. Now see, I have pasted all. In this way you can also do. Now we have to make the dress. अब इनको हम dress पहनाएंगे. So you can take any cutting of any color you can use. It's your wish. I have done the cuttings in the rectangle shape. And now we have to paste like this over here with the help of Fevicol. Okay. Now see, I have made all the clothes, and we can decorate with the help of the stones. If you have, it's okay, otherwise you can leave it, or else you can use sketch pens. You can make mala like this. आप ऐसे भी माला बना सकते हो. Otherwise you can decorate with the help of stones. Now I'm going to decorate रावण. इसके नेक पे मैंने ऐसे लगा दिया so that it will look nice. You can use anything, whatever you have. Now it's time for the tail of Hanuman ji. ऐसे लगाएंगे. We will use Fevicol. See, now tail is pasted. You can fold it like this so that it looks like a tail. Okay, now all the characters are ready. Now see, all the characters are ready. You can wear in your fingers like this. See, all 5 characters of Ramayana. Hope that you have liked and enjoyed this activity.